How to make a woolly bugger fly. Use a size 8 hook and a gold 5/32 inch bead. Put the gold bead on the hook with the small part up to the eye of the hook and clamp your hook. Grab fly wire. Wrap the fly wire 20 times around the hook and slide it up into the bead head. Grab white twine. Secure the fly wire with the twine, wrap around diagonally and back to the middle of the hook. Grab some chartreuse feather. Add the chartreuse feather, secure it, the base of the feather with the twine. Chenille. With your chenille, wrap the twine around the chenille right under the bead head. Wrap the chenille around the length of the hook up to the base of the tail. Secure the chenille with the twine, wrapping it diagonally against the chenille up to the bead head. Hackle. Add hackle behind the bead head with the white twine, wrap 3 times in a figure 8 pattern. Wrap the chenille, the hackle around the chenille to the base of the tail. Grab your whip finisher. Place the twine around the loop and in the hook. You're going to wrap 5 to 6 times, undo the loop, and then pull. Release the hook. And pull excess hackle out from under the twine. Cut the twine. Grab your head cement. From here, you're going to use 3 drops of head cement. You're going to place the head cement on the bead right where your twine was just cut and finished with your whip finisher. After placing the 3 drops behind the bead, you have a finished product and a brand new lime green woolly bugger.